Hello YouTube, just back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a wireless adapter missing in Windows computer. You may face this problem on your Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other Windows operating system due to different reasons. So if you are facing this problem, you are in the right place, so stay tuned until the end of the video. In this video, we are going to see plenty of solutions from basic to advanced solutions. So let's start from solution number one. So if you are facing this problem, the first thing that you would do is re-enabling the adapter from your device manager. So in order to do that, go here and click on the search icon. Follow the steps for all operating system. It's just similar. Type device manager. Here the device manager, then open it. So after you get into the device manager, the first thing that you will do is show hidden devices. So go on the top and you will find view. So click on view and select show hidden devices. So it's going to re-enable the adapters related with your network adapter or the Wi-Fi adapter. So after you make show hidden devices, you may get your missing Wi-Fi driver. If the problem still continues, then the second solution that you will do is clicking the scan for hardware changes. You do that again, go on the top, click for action and select here scan for hardware changes. So it will automatically scan and try to search the compatible wireless adapter for your computer and check whether you are getting your Wi-Fi or internet connection after you make scanning for hardware changes. If the problem is still continuing, then the third solution for this video would be troubleshooting network and internet. So in order to troubleshoot that, go here and click here the search icon and type here settings. So click on the settings, and after the setting open, you will find network and internet. Click on network and internet and you will find here troubleshoot. So it will give you the option to troubleshoot. So select here troubleshoot and it will start detecting the problem related with your driver. So here it gave me the solution. The internet adapter is disabled. Maybe it will be disabled. So did we fix your problem? It will ask you if the problem is found, say yes, or if it is not, click no. So let me select no. So this is the problem in my case, but in your case it may be different, so it will give you different solutions. So follow the steps related with the troubleshooter, and if the troubleshooter cannot find your problem, then the fourth solution for this video will be enabling the network service. So enabling the services would help you to fix the missing driver. So in order to do that, again click here the search icon and type here services. Here the services, then open it. So after the service opened, find for W1 and WLAN auto config. So go on the bottom, which is W, then after that find for W1 and WLAN config auto config. Here we find WLAN auto config. So select that, right click on it and select properties. Then after that, make sure the startup type is automatic. So select here automatic, then click here apply and select here OK. And do the same for W1 auto config here in the bottom. Again, right click on it, select properties, then go there, automatic, then select apply and click here OK. Then close your service section and restart your computer. So after the restart, if the missing Wi-Fi driver is get back, well done. If not, then solution number 5 will be fixing the network socket and ports. This would be done using a command prompt. So again, click here the search icon and type cmd and right click on it and select run as administrator. So here it will give you a confirmation, select yes. Then after that, type net space winsock space reset. So it's going to reset. So press enter, then it reset. So successfully reset the WinSec catalog, and you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So close the command prompt and restart your computer. So after the restart, if the problem is solved, well done. If not, we are going to use another net configuration command. So again, you will do that by opening the CMD and open it as administrator, confirm by selecting yes, then type here net cfg space -d, then press enter. In my case here it says everything is removing device 1 mini port, removing device, which is all the sticks 1 mini ports are removed. In your case, if it is show you any error, type again this command until you will see this, which is the net cfg space -d, press enter until you will get this successfully remove all the mux objects. Just copy paste this command until you will see that. So after you do that, as it says here, please reboot the computer. So close this and restart your computer. So after performing these activities, if the problem is still continuing, then solution number 6 would be network reset. So in order to do that, again, go here, click here the search icon and type settings. Here the settings, then open it, then go to network and internet. Then after that, select here network reset on the bottom. You will find it on the bottom, network reset. So select network reset. And here it give you all the informations. So you will be restarted. After you select reset all the networks, your computer will restart. So click reset now and restart your computer. Then all the problems related with your missing driver would be solved. Then solution number 7 will be reinstalling the driver from the official computer manufacturer of website. So search for the specific driver from the official website that your computer manufactured or assembled. So find a computer which have an internet connection and download the driver for that specific computer based on the manufacturer of the specific laptop problem. And the final solution for this video will be system restore, which is getting back to the previous time that your computer working correctly. In order to do that, click on the search icon and type here run and open the run. Then type here rstrui.exe, this one, then click OK. Then it will open you restore system file and settings, then click next. And in my case here I have an automatic restore point that my computer took. If you cannot find any restore point, so you cannot get back to that specific restore point, but if you have, can get back. But one comment that I'm give you is, before you get back to that specific restore point, make sure you take a restore point of this period, because if you get any error, you can get back to the specific period of time. So make restore system restore to solve the missing Wi-Fi adapter on your computer. So these are the solutions for today's video in fixing the wireless adapter missing in Windows computer. And if today's video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.